come together in the presence of God to witness the marriage of this man and this woman.
Today, you look beautiful more than anything I've ever seen before.
Marriage is a gift of God to mankind. Rhodri, will you have Evie to be your wife?
I will.
Evie, will you have Rhodri to be your husband?
I will.
Receive this ring.
Receive this ring.
As Rhodri and Evie have consented together in marriage, I declare that they are now husband and wife.
everyone. I'd really like to say a special thank you to Adam, Jill and Amy. When we made it official, you accepted me with open arms. Moy, Ken, Gramps, all of you. Really appreciate it. I'm honoured to be part of your family. Now to the Boozy clan. However can I thank you for raising such a great man? Tall, handsome, charming. Eves, I must say you're a lucky lady. But no, I truly am grateful for everything. You make me feel so proud to be a son, brother to beautiful sisters, an uncle to 3 beautiful nephews and a niece. So from the bottom of my heart, I love you all. So if you could join me and raise a glass to family.
It only seems like yesterday that I was carrying Evie around the woods at Powys looking at work, not the 25 years that it actually is. I'm proud to be able to watch her grow into the delightful young lady she's become. There's only a few bumps on the road to welcome. I also remember my first meeting with Rhodri in my kitchen early one Saturday morning. It took me a day to realise Evie had just quietly moved him in.
Rhodri has met the woman of his dreams, and when I see them together bouncing off each other, it's something that really hits home to me whenever I'm sat there on your sofa and you've got a few glasses of wine as always, you have a cheese board in the distance. It's the simple things like that, and you have such a connection. That's something that I really do find admirable about your relationship, and I hope one day everyone in this room can share something as special as you two. Rod, I believe there's nothing that can stop you. You have something many lack. You have the determination to take what you want and conquer your goals the old-fashioned way, through hard work and perseverance. And I can only one day dream of being a man with the work ethic and determination that you have.
And last but not least, my wife. Yeah, my wife. Oh God. Today, you look beautiful more than anything I've ever seen before. To my wife.
So I'd like to introduce the new Mr. and Mrs. Boozy to the dance floor for their first dance. then the first thing I want you to get me is a £2 coin. Sit down, sit down, sit down! Sit down, sit down!